guys, welcome to Math Dailies, number 25, day 2. In box 1, we have a multiplication problem, 2005 times 5. I rewrote it vertically to make it a little bit easier. 5 times 5 is 25. So we carry the 2. 0 times 5 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 0 times 5 is 0, and 2 times 5 is 10. And then we put our comma, we have 10,025. All right, next we have, in box 2, we have 3/10 plus 6/10 because Ross ate 3/10 of a pumpkin pie, and Brady ate 6/10 of the same pie. How much of the pie did Ross and Brady eat together? Well, we just imagine our pie cut into 10 pieces. Ross ate 3 pieces. He was pretty hungry, but Brady was even hungrier and ate 6 pieces. So if we add the 3 plus the 6, we get 9. And we keep our denominator. Because our denominator is the same, we can just add the top. So they ate 9/10 of the pie. Lots of pie. All right, box 3 is to compare the two fractions and make the sentence true by writing greater than, less than, or equal. We have 3/5 and 1/2. Now, our denominators are not the same, so it makes it a little harder to compare them. So there's a couple of ways you can do that. You could draw a picture and shade in 3/5 and 1/2. And if you look at the picture, this would be about half of this rectangle. So you can see that our 3/5 goes past the halfway mark. So that would be one way to kind of tell. I'm trying not to mix my marker to get black on my red. So that's one way to tell. But then if you remember how we did it the other day, we can make our denominators the same by multiplying. Well, we know that 5 times 2 is 10. So we know that both of these numbers would fit equally into 10. So if we want to make this into tenths, 2 times 5 equals 10. And 1 times 5 equals 5. So we can make this into 5/10. So imagine those are now split into 10 pieces. And then we have 3/5. I'm going to do it this way so it'll fit. We want to go from fifths to tenths, so we multiply by 2. 5 times 2 is 10, so then we have to do 3 times 2 is 6. And if we split each of these in half, that's now tenths. And 6 of them are colored, 2, 4, 6. So here we have 6 out of 10, and here we only have 5 out of 10. So then you can tell that this number, this fraction, is greater than this fraction. Okay, and then our last one, easy division, dividing by multiples of 10. When you see all these zeros, you can, and I don't want to mess up my red marker, so I'm going to mark off, I can mark off 1, 2, 3 zeros from this one. So I'm going to mark off 1, 2, 3 zeros from that one. And now I have 20 divided by 2, which is 10. But we could also look at it this way. 2,000 will fit into 2,000 once. 1 times 2,000 is 2,000. And then when we subtract and get 0, bring down 0. Well, it won't fit. So we put a 0. 0 times 2,000 is 0. Subtract, and we're done. So the answer is 10.